In Bank Feeds, choose New Connection. In Plaid, choose Continue without phone number. Search for your bank, then select it from the results. Enter your username and password, then choose Submit. Select the account you want to connect, then choose Continue. Review the connection, then choose Allow. Choose Finish without saving. Leave Create New Register selected, then choose Save Mappings. Confirm the Plaid card, its balances, and the linked register below it. LedgerHQ, bookkeeping software with Tally built in. More at ledgerhq.pro.